bounce past this bit, we're going to be happy days.
87% win rate so far. Yo boys, so today is day one of me passing or attempting to pass a 100k funded challenge account using MambaFX Breakout strategy. I'm going to be trading Monday to Thursday. Fridays are shit, volatility is wank. But Monday to Thursday, whether I win, whether I lose, whether I blow the account, pass the account, everything. You're going to see everything, my analysis, what I'm thinking during the trade, how many trades I take. You'll even see the P&L, which will be a little link in the description, so you can see everything. Like, man, I used to be in MambaFX live trading. I've been in it since January.
Break above that zone, we take our buy.
6 months later, I left it on whatever day it says in the P&L, which is like 2 weeks ago, and we've won every single day since. We've had, I think, like an 87% win rate so far. So, man, things are looking good. Due to the numbers, we should pass, but we'll see. If we get some good markets, some good setups, the psychologist's right, we should fucking pass this shit. So, yo, let's see this. Day one.
Yo. So, today is day one of me attempting to pass a 100k funded challenge account. Now, so this is going to be a series. I'm going to be tracking every single day, day one, day two, day three, every win, every loss. If I blow the account, if I pass the account, fucking everything. I'll track everything in the P&L like we have been doing on the demo the past 2 weeks. You see, we've won every single day. So hopefully, if we use the same skill set that we've used within that and transfer it to the funded, we should hopefully pass, right? Now, if you guys don't already know, I use the MambaFX Breakout strategy, and that's the only strategy I'm going to be using to pass this funded account. The prop firm I have gone with is going to be Clarity Traders. Link will be in the description. And essentially, here's the rules. So jump straight into it. The 100k funded, I have to reach 8%. So over this series, my objective is to pass, and I have to hit $8,000, which is 8%. I can't lose 5k in a day, like 5k in a day. And this is like the number one reason why most people fail this shit, including myself, which I'll get into in a moment. Now, once phase one's passed, which I'm hoping to pass either this week or early next week, we'll then go into phase two, where I have to just make another 5%. Again, max drawdown is 8%, and I can't lose 5k in a day. But throughout this entire thing, I'm only going to be risking 1%. And yeah, we're going to be going for 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s every single day. And then hopefully, absolutely fucking hopefully, you can see me go from the beginning, starting this shit, to getting the first payout. How fucking mad would that be? But yo, so far, I'm going to get into this a little bit more later, but so far I have failed 5 accounts in the past. Remember, I say in the past. And so it's been a while since I've done them challenges, but since then I've learned so much, studied, documented all my trades. And as you can see, this has been the P&L for the past 2 weeks. The proof's in the pudding. You know what I mean? I was in MambaFX live trading group. I did stop being within that on the 22nd of May. And ever since then, I've just won every flipping day. And so today, I'm going to be starting the 100k funded. Now, by the way, guys, this is all going to be in the description, this P&L, so you can go check it out. Look at it, check what my risk-reward ratio has been for that day, what my risk was. Was it a buy? Was it a sell? How many trades I took? See, you can keep me accountable. Am I over trading? No, not really, not so far. But yeah, man, this is all going to be in the description, so you can go check this out. So far, we're hitting an 87.5% win rate. So yeah, hopefully, I think things are looking good, right? We're looking like we should pass. Realistically, we are looking like we should pass. But yeah, man, if you are wanting to check every trade every single day, subscribe below and watch this fucking thing happen, man. And yeah, I'm going to keep it as real as it gets. I'm going to open up Trade Locker. So when you buy a prop firm challenge, you'll get given the account login details to, trade on. So as you can see here, I've not yet taken a trade. I will do today in 8 minutes. And so only pairs I will be trading is US30 and Nasdaq. They're the only two I'm going to be trading. Again, I'm using the MambaFX Breakout strategy. So at 6:30 PST or 9:30 EST, or in UK time where I am, 2:30 PM, I'm waiting until that market opens. We're looking for volume. And wherever we break out, whether it's the support or the resistance, we're going to take a buy or a sell. Simple as that. And as long as the psychology is right and the markets are doing all right, which they have been, clearly, for the past 2 weeks, you know, we should be sweet as a daisy, boom. So first thing, I'm going to be loading up the 5-minute chart, and I'm going to be marking out my support and resistance. So straight away we can see resistance and support. Super simple, right? Same for NASDAQ. I'll be writing out my support and resistance and support. Now I do prefer US30 today. US30 is looking a little cleaner, as you can see. Now another thing I'm going to do as well before market opens, I'm going to basically put in my take profit marks. So as you can see here, I'm going to hit take profit here if we go for a buy. And if we go for a sell, it'll be around this region here. So this is my take profit on a sell, take profit on a buy. Another area for US30 take profit would also potentially could be here, as we can see here. Now, what am I looking for when I'm looking for my take profit zones? All I'm basically doing is finding where, you know, price could reverse. So I want to be getting in, out, as soon as it's hitting an area where I believe it could reverse. So as you can see here, these are London highs from the previous session. Now, as soon as it gets to these points, I want to be in, out, get my money, out, bounce. 1 trade, 2 trades max on a re-entry if we lose the first. And yeah, as you can see again, the reason why I took this area is you see price is bouncing in this area. Again, price is bouncing in this area. So very cautious, which I'm going to do. Then the next thing and the last thing I'll do before I take a trade is put in what my lot size is going to be, what my pips are. So the way we're going to do that is if we take a buy, which will be above these wicks here. To be fair, we could go a little early with this. And almost, now I'm really looking at this, there's almost a little bit of a trend going on here. So I'm going to put in the trend line as another confluence if we was to go in for a buy. But as you can see here, market structure is on an uptrend. Up, down, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So we could see a pullback and then a bounce up. So when setting my stop loss, I'm looking for areas of some sort of support or resistance. As you can see here, there's like a middle ground. Now I want to have my stops around here. I don't tend to use hard stops either. It's usually very tight and very light stops. You see if the price bounces around these areas, I don't want a hard stop loss on because it could just wick out and I'm losing a trade that I should have won. .7. So as you can see here, so we have straight away come down. We've created some sort of support. If we get a second push, we can engulf this candle here. I would like to see, so that'd be 33. For US 30.3, okay. And that's that. So big wicks, big movement straight away. I'm going to be paying attention to these. 0.3. Boom. We're in a sell. In a fucking sell, boys. Let's see what happens. Now again, just looking, I didn't actually initially see this little area here, which is something I need to watch out for as well. Yeah, hopefully this don't reverse. This is the first trade of the 100k funny boy, so hopefully this goes well, man. I'm looking forward to tracking this entire journey with you, man. So make sure you subscribe, and yeah, man, it should be good. It's dropping. It's fucking dropping. Keep on dropping. Right, boom. I really need to pay attention to this area here. Is it going to reverse? If we can bounce past this bit, we're going to be happy days. Come on, push. Come on. See this area here where I just literally marked in. This is what I'm. Hope. Oh, there we go. That's what we're fucking talking about. Come on. Keep dropping. Keep fucking dropping. Keep dropping. That's it. Keep dropping. Come on, boys. Let's hold it out. Fuck it. I'm out. That started to reverse. I'm out. Ah, fuck. Psychology just went there. I should have held that a little longer. For fuck's sake, I should have held that a little longer. That's my bad. That's my bad. I knew I should have held that longer. Now, if this breaks even more, right, win again. I know this is breaking further. Go on. I think this could go further. Now, that re-entry was definitely silly. I shouldn't have got out. I should have kept my, kept my strength. Mental strength did honestly go. I do have another take profit zone here as well. So, hopefully, it keeps on going. That was I'll be honest with you, that was a silly move from my side there. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Yep. Come on. That was definitely a silly move. I will be honest. Alright, I'm out. I don't want to be in that no longer. Now, definitely, I should have waited that trade out a lot more. You know, I'll be honest with you. I definitely took out too early there. I didn't hold out my initial analysis, which I should have done. And yeah. But besides that, we are up for it. We are winning for the first day, which is good. Yeah, Nasdaq was a fake out. It's still in the trade though. It's still not yet hit break stop loss, but that's pretty nasty. So yeah, we took the better trade today. Fuck, this shit's just fucking. Oh my god, I should have held this out, but woulda, coulda, shoulda, right? As you can see here, it's bouncing off of my take profit area down here, which is actually more so there. But yeah, overall, I mean, a winning trade, yes. Did I trade well? I'll be honest, not the best trade I've taken, but nevertheless, we're still up and we're still a W for today's trade. What I would have done better is just simply hold out to my initial analysis and believe in where my take profit was, and clearly, I should have done that. But besides that, we're up for the day. I'm gonna walk away now. We're up 1%, which is a great start. And yeah. So look, every day within the challenge, it's gonna update every time. So we are up 0.92%, call it 1%. And yeah, we've got 7k left to go. We can't lose no more than 5k a day in a trade. But yeah, overall, we're up 970. Not bad at all. I'm pretty happy with that. See, look, it's literally reversing off of exactly where I put my take profit. You see that? It's reversing straight off of the mark and it's gone all the way up. Boom, just like that. What do we do now? We fucking walk away. We stay off the charts. We stick to our discipline and we keep it moving. That's all we got to do. And we're just going to grind this out. The way we need to think with this challenge is, look, we're not here to try and win for today. We're trying to look at this like, a weekly thing, a monthly thing. Did we win over the week? Did we win over the month? Because that way it stops us thinking in the short term and chasing our fucking daily wins and just like moving like a monkey with a fucking AK-47, boom, 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 and over trading, over risking, over leveraging, and just blowing accounts like fucking left, right, and center. But yo, boys, if you man want to fucking subscribe, join the journey. Today was day 1. W in the bag, up 1%. Come on, let's get a road to fucking funded, get our first payout, and pay the mama's bills. Come. So I basically so today's trade was my first trade of the challenge. I entered one trade in the beginning. I marked out all my TP zones and exit points on to precision. Today I traded a little emotionally as I wanted to have a good start to the challenge, which definitely had me exit the trade a little earlier than I should have done. But nevertheless, a win for the day and a good start to the challenge, which I am happy about. I'm going to submit this, and then this is going to put it into my Google Sheet. And then the Google Sheet is everything, like I say, is going to be in the description of this video and every video going forward. So yeah, man, you want to see the journey? Check along, come along. Peace.